Hello squad. If you want to print out the last item from this particular list, how do you do it? The usual way you would do is that using print function, and you just pass the variable name and you open this variable name with square brackets. Inside a square bracket, you would pass 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to print this particular item, that is the fifth item, so the indexing start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you would pass 4 inside it, and if you just save it and hit run, it would definitely give you the last item, that is momos. So instead of counting it, what you can do is you can just simply inside the square bracket, you can pass -1. So if you close this, Control S, hit run, see here what happened? It has given us momos. Because -1 is nothing but it always gives you the output as the last one. So if you say -1, it would definitely give you the output as momos. What if you say -2? Then you will get juices as the output. See here, I'm hitting run. See, I have got juices as the output. So this is how indexing works.